Welcome, Diploma students, to the tutorial on how to access documents on the university portal. To access your diploma documents, go to the URL you see on the screen. The first thing you should do is check that you have the correct language selected. You can find this option in the upper left corner. By clicking on it, you can switch between Spanish and English. Next, in the upper right corner, choose Login. Once again, select Login. There, sign in with your email address by entering your email and password. Once completed, you will see in the upper right corner that you are logged in. Click there and a menu will appear. Select the option that says My Profile. Once inside, you can enter your name and add your photo. Don't forget to click Update Information. You will notice a message confirming that your information has been saved. Then go to the Academics tab, which expands when you hover your mouse over it. There you will find the Diplomas section. Click on it. Once inside, scroll down and select your corresponding diploma by clicking Learn More. If you are curious about the subjects you will study, scroll down and you will be able to see the courses included in the diploma. On the right side, you will find their corresponding credits. If you scroll back up, on the right side you will see a button labeled Documents. Clicking it will take you to all the courses you saw earlier. By clicking the arrow, the course will open. There you will find all the class documents and their corresponding videos. If you want to view your grades in this same window, click Academic History in the upper right corner. For more details, we invite you to watch the tutorial on how to access the SRU, where your academic record and grades are located. We do not teach what to think, but how to think. Alef University.